In this video, I'm going to show you 6 day-to-day useful Android applications you are definitely going to love using, so let's get to it. I've mentioned this application Accent before, and it made the cut in this video as well, and that is because this application has been very effective when it comes to me trying to stay off my phone to be productive. You get to select whether you really want to open a particular application or not. The app basically lets you stay off certain applications you've added to it, or at least tries. And for me, I just can't go against it, and so I always choose the option which says I don't want to use app to close the application. This is a simple application with great functionality, despite the gentle approach it takes to letting you stay focused. Still on focus and distraction, STFO Notification Manager is an application that can show you notifications according to certain rules you set when it comes to seeing notification. They call it filtered notifications, so instead of getting pop-ups for every single notification, which will lead to distraction, you can turn on certain rules in the application which will let you see and open notifications or dismiss some automatically. You get to set some custom rules like dismiss any notification with the word lottery, or turn off do not disturb when you receive any message that contains the word urgent. You can set custom rules in relation to any app on your phone you will get a notification from. I really love how this application works. It manages notifications pretty well, and the fact that you can have your own custom settings in it, especially with your applications, is awesome. The next app is Paisa. I didn't bring myself to try this application when it first got mentioned by other app review channels, but I recently installed this application and tried it. And the app really serves me well when it comes to managing finances or daily transactions to and from my phone. So you basically input income currently and how you are spending it, so whether deduction, you update it, or add expenses. You have the option to select a category you are earning income from, so you know how you are spending income from that source. You can view your account, whether debt or credit. If you've added any, you can also see the general overview of income and expenses. So this application just keeps record of your finance management. The fact that this application is a free one and also has a super awesome UI, I really recommend this application to you if you haven't tried it already. And guys, if you are enjoying the video, I wish you will consider subscribing to the channel. Rotation Manager is a super useful small application, and its job is to enable automatic screen rotations when you open certain applications. So once you install and allow the necessary permissions, you select the apps you want the automatic rotation enabled in. Once you select the application, you choose the option which will put the screen into auto rotate, or this one right here which will put the screen to landscape immediately you open the application. It can be unexpectedly useful once in a while, so if you like it, I'll leave a link in the video description for you to install. Unfortunately, it cannot be found on the Google Play Store. Whether you are home, at the workplace, or you find yourself at any place, this application will automatically tweak your phone's sound profiles. The app is called Volume Scheduler, and it works based on the times and days you set. So for example, if you work from 9 AM to 4 PM every day, you can have the app adjust the sound profiles automatically between those hours. You can set it to play a different ringtone, change the system volumes to certain levels to prevent certain distractions, and you can enable the option to get notified before any automation is done, so just in case of not wanting it at a particular time, you can disable it. Time Zone is a simple application which shows you the current time from different countries. So if you always want to know the times in certain countries, you can add them. What I love about this application is you can track the time in the country hours later to know when it will be daytime or nighttime. You can find out by swiping left or right on this tool at the bottom. So let's say I want to communicate with a friend in Seoul, South Korea in the next 5 hours. So swiping left here will show me, and I can see that 5 hours from this time will be 2 AM over there. That means I'll have to wait maybe additional 5 hours, which should be morning by the time. Or if you're a traveler and you always have to Google the time in different countries, you can use this application. You can add more than one country. You can also add the widget to your home screen for easy glance. My last two videos were about the most mentioned Android applications by fellow app review channels like How To Men, Extreme Droid, Sam Beckman, Mr. Android, and others. So you can click on any of these two videos to find out some of the viral Android applications this year. If you like this video, then kindly consider subscribing to the channel and also leave a like. As always, thank you for watching.